Do you know the exact moment when life starts feeling different? Not when you become a millionaire, not when you buy a mansion, but when your income reaches $3,000 a month without working for it. It sounds small, but for many people, that number changes everything. Today, I'll tell you the story of a man who discovered why. And once he crossed that number, his life never felt the same again.
Meet Daniel, a regular guy, 9-to-5 job, same alarm every morning. Wake up, rush to work, wait for the weekend, repeat. He wasn't poor, but he also wasn't free. Every month his salary came in, and every month it disappeared. Rent, groceries, bills, gas, insurance. By the end of the month, his bank account looked exactly the same, almost empty. One day, something happened that changed the way he looked at money forever. His boss called him into the office. "Daniel, we're reducing staff." Just like that, his income was gone.
Daniel started small, very small. He built a simple online product, something helpful, something people needed. The first month, he made $17. Not impressive, but something amazing happened. That $17 came in while he was sleeping. That moment changed everything because it proved something. Money could work without him. Month by month, he kept building. $100, $300, $700. Slowly, his passive income started growing. Then one day, something strange happened. His passive income reached $3,000 per month. Not $10,000, not $100,000, just $3,000. But his mindset changed overnight. Here's why. Because suddenly his survival was no longer tied to his job. Rent? Covered. Food? Covered. Basic life? Covered. For the first time in his life, he realized something powerful. I'm not trapped anymore. When passive income reaches $3,000, three huge things happen. First, fear disappears. You no longer fear losing your job because your life doesn't collapse if you do. Second, decisions become smarter. You stop chasing money. You start chasing opportunities. Third, your time becomes valuable again. You no longer trade hours for survival. You choose how to spend them. And that changes how you live. Daniel noticed small things changing. Very small things. He woke up without panic. He worked on things he enjoyed. He started learning new skills. Because he wasn't desperate anymore. And desperation is what traps most people. When money controls your time, life feels heavy. But when income flows automatically, life feels lighter. Here's the biggest myth people believe. You need millions to be financially free. But the truth is simpler. Freedom begins when your basic life is covered. For many people, that number is around $3,000 per month. Not luxury, not yachts, just peace. And once you feel that peace, you never want to go back. So here's a question for you. If you had $3,000 in passive income every month, what would you do differently in your life? Tell me in the comments. And if this story made you think differently about money, subscribe for more stories about wealth, freedom, and financial intelligence.